Hello BeeBusinessBee fans, and guess what? I'm back with another Undercover. Shh. And this time we're going even better. We're going to take a look at how supermarkets use psychology as shopping. And where better than let's take on a budget supermarket. So here I am at Lidl, as you can see, and we're going to go inside Lidl as the police run past there, obviously ready to escort me clearly from out this building. We're going to go inside Lidl to have a look at some of the techniques they use. We're going to look at where they place products, the strategy they use, and also some of the really clever products and the packaging they use of their products to try and entice you to buy products. So join me as I go into Lidl Undercover. Now then, BeeBusinessBee fans, we have a slight issue. As you can see, they're actually stocking up in a place where I want to be. So I've got to be really, really quiet. But as you can see behind me here, just there, look at that behind me there, a bit there. Every supermarket has its fresh flowers, always placed at the start of a supermarket. Now the reason they do that is dead clever. They always place their fresh flowers here because it makes you feel really welcoming and really positive. And then what you have next to these flowers here, so here's your flowers, you have your vegetables. So you always have your fresh fruit and veg always placed in the middle. It's a great way to welcome you into the store. So I'm just going to go past now and I'll give you a little description. So we've gone this side over here now. So as you can see, I've just got past there. That's pretty clever really. So as you can see here, you've got your fresh fruit and veg. Now they place your fresh fruit and veg always in the front bit when you go past it, because it's a way of making you feel sort of like quite vibrant again and positive. Another good psychological trick. Just like all these big bright signs you see there, look at that bright sign there behind me. Psychologically, that means that you always feel more willing to spend money. Now again, another known trick of a supermarket. And if you notice, it's so bright in here, and that's another psychological trick they use in supermarkets. The brighter it is, the more willing you are to spend money. Right, I better go because somebody's behind me. Now, here's a really clever trick, the bakery. Now, it's known fact that many supermarkets used to pump in the smell of fresh bread. And they did that because it used to entice customers to actually spend more money, the smell of fresh bread. Well, here I am at a bakery where they actually bake the bread and you can smell it, and it does smell really, really good. And it's one of those known tricks that's going to get you to spend more money. Now, typically here, I want to show you the middle of Lidl, because that's a known trick. The middle of Lidl is one of those things where they have special offers, and it's all about getting customers to come in the shop, buy an item like a special offer, and then they'll go around the shop and spend even more money buying more products. But the problem is, there's a member of staff literally down this aisle now. So I'm going to walk past her and see if we get away with this. So we're going to go straight past now the middle of Lidl, as you can see. There you go. Look at that. So these are all the special offers in the middle of Lidl, and it's really, really clever where they place them and how they do it. But again, it's all about getting you in the store and then spending more money. That's why you have the middle of Lidl. Now, if I spin around really quickly, look what you notice down the store. You notice all the coloured features down the store. All that's called point of sale. Now, point of sale is all about trying to get you to purchase more items and spend more money. So you naturally get drawn to where these things like, say, like price cut here. So behind me there, look at that. Price cut. You're drawn to it. You want to buy the item. And that's why they do it. They're really, really clever. And back to that fruit and veg idea I was talking to you about. So look behind me now, the fruit and veg. So look how colourful the fruit and veg is behind me there. I'm zooming out for you there. It's done on purpose. It's there to capture your attention. Right then, let's carry on while I push my luck a bit further. And we go even further undercover. Now this is what I love. Look at these here, fruit pastels. Yeah, I do love them anyway. But look, they look like a certain brand that you probably well know. But the supermarkets are so clever, like Lidl here. They have the packaging design so that you think they're really expensive items when they're actually not. So they look like the real thing, they look like the brand item, but they're not. But you get drawn into it. And it's the same over here when you look at the crisps. All the crisps are the same. Everywhere you go down this shop here, it's fantastic. Literally, they design the packaging so it's like it, but it's not quite the same. And clearly that really annoys the brands, because the branded companies spend a fortune on their brands. You know, that's one of their intangible assets. And there's been loads and loads of court cases about this sort of stuff, because obviously if you make it look like that product, some people believe it actually is, and they go, oh well, look, it looks like that branded name. Well, I'm actually going to buy these fruit pastilles because I quite like them. But there you go, there's one of the other techniques you use in the supermarket. I'm not sure I can cope with the danger anymore, but right behind me here, look, when it's gone, it's gone. Great supermarket strategy to make you really panic buy and spend more money. But I just feel like I'm trapped in here. I feel like the staff are watching me all over the place. It's absolutely nuts that I've got away with it for so long. Wow, I survived. I'm out of there alive. I've got away with another BeeBusinessBee undercover. Let me just mind that puddle there. So I have now shared with you the delights of how budget supermarkets work and some of the techniques inside there. You know what? I think maybe my time undercover is coming to an end. It really is too stressful. You know, it's quite scary. You know, going in there and knowing that, you know, they're going to pounce at any time. You know, even though I'm BeeBusinessBee and even though, you know, we're world famous and I know all you followers love these videos, I'm starting to think that maybe, you know what, the undercovers have got to stop. Maybe it's time to actually go and ask them if I can go and film in there. Mind you, where's the fun in that? You know what? BeeBusinessBee undercover is here to stay. You know what I'm going to say to you now, don't you? Make sure you check out my socials, make sure you give me a like, make sure you give me a follow, and remember, make sure you keep buzzing!